Hi, YouTube fam. My name is Roxy, and on this channel, we talk about everything money.
Before we jump into today's topic, if you will go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on new uploads, and feel free to drop a comment, like, and share so that we can help reach others that may benefit from this content as well. And again, I do thank you. Okay, we're going to start off with a scripture. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, Philippians 4:13. Okay, so today, everyone, we're going to be talking about jobs. And the job leads I have today is with the company called Deployed Resources. And it's a data entry specialist position, okay? Remote from home, as always, in the clerical department. Just to give you a summary, the corporate executive chief, Chief Data Entry Specialist performs a variety of general administrative tasks to support the corporate chief and all department managers. Okay. You have the duties and responsibilities. Responsible for monthly COGS, financial reports, waste management reports, and keep files via SharePoint. Responsible for future design of templates used for specific contracts. Meeting note taker, assist in slide preparation, keeps food service historical records, order guides, and maintains up-to-date files. Okay, to join the weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly meetings, and etc. Ability to handle crossover duties, including department-wide administrative support as well. Skills and specifications. Proficiency in Microsoft Word, Microsoft's PowerPoint, and Outlook is required. Mastery in Microsoft Excel is required as well, okay? Good research skills and maintain attention to details. Ability to work independently. Have a clean driving record, able to drive company vehicles if need be. But you can read the rest of that portion, all right? So the work environment is this job operates in a professional office environment and field environments. It's 24/7, 365 days inside and outside. Okay. And it's more in this area as well that you could read. Physical demands. While performing the duties on this job, the employee is regularly required to talk or hear. So, you're going to have to be on the phones, basically. All right, so position time or type expected hours is full time and it's based remotely, 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. Travel about 10% of the time, okay? You got your required education and experience. Your work authorization security clearance must be authorized to work in the U.S. And then so forth and so on. You can read that. The AAP and EEO statement is right here as well. And then it has other duties as well that you could go ahead and read. Now, according to Glassdoor, this position do pay $15 to $18 per hour. All right. And if you are interested in applying for this position, like I said, make sure you go ahead and read all of the details and click the apply at the bottom. Good luck to those who apply. For those who stuck around this long, I will give you a bonus tip on that typingtest.com site I told you about in a previous video. You will see how it looks whenever you log in and get ready to take your test, okay? So stay tuned for that. Thank you. So you'll go ahead and click on the 1-minute test and you'll hit start test. Then you'll just start typing here. All right, so once you're done doing that, you'll hit close. And it'll analyze your results. I see how I got 48 words per minute at 100% accuracy. And then it has the net speed as well as 58 words per minute. If you want to retake the test, you can go ahead and retake the test. and all of that great stuff as well. Okay, but just want to show you how this tool works, and this is a good way to get your typing skills up. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and as always, please share, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great day.